One Cleveland City Council leader says the city's dropping the ball when it comes to reaching Spanish-speaking residents with crucial information about COVID-19 and the vaccine.
And now she says her office and community groups are now scrambling to pick it up. News 5's Jesse Schultz has more.
The Hispanic community in Cleveland is tight-knit, family-driven, and growing.
Latinos represent 13% of our city of Cleveland.
And 40% of Councilwoman Jasmine Santana's ward on the city's west side is Hispanic. But early on in the pandemic, she noticed a growing problem for her growing community.
And the pandemic revealed that the city and many organizations were not ready to respond to the huge crisis and to meet the needs of the Hispanic population.
A language barrier between her residents and the vital COVID-19 information coming from the city health department.
Such as translating announcements, bilingual COVID tracers, and even data collection.
A city spokesperson says at the height of the pandemic, the health department had 80 contact tracers. They now have 14. None of them are bilingual.
They don't speak your language. This is fearful, and it's a big deal.
Santana said she was let down, so her office and other community groups stepped up, translating COVID-19 newsletters, calls, and social media announcements to Spanish.
We've established a list of ways in which we can reach the community through different Facebook pages, word of mouth, listservs that we have. And the word has gotten out.
Maureen Dunn is a volunteer with Hispanic Roundtable, working to educate the Spanish-speaking community about testing and vaccination sites.
We do it for them. We explain everything to them. We answer all their questions in Spanish, obviously. And we try to explain where these locations are, what to expect when they get there.
And now partnering with the city to host pop-up vaccination sites at churches and other community spots. Santana is planning on moving her office to the Pivot Center for the Arts to serve more, and is asking the city to invest in making it a multicultural hub.
I just want to make sure that we don't fall off the radar, and that, time passes and now we're at another pandemic, and once again we're being reactive.
Reporting in Cleveland, Jesse Schultz, News 5.
Our thanks to Jesse. And a spokesperson for the city of Cleveland says they're working on hiring bilingual contact tracers. Since August, the Cleveland Department of Health has been using the state's contact tracer line to provide access to bilingual tracers.
Next